ahead and get us a nut, rather nut. I can't.
Don't you not disrespect me?
Yeah, he's really outgoing.
I just said make a left. She broke right now too, bro. She will help you out, but she ain't got no money neither.
Oh, dang.
That's my history.
No, show it to the camera then.
He was speeding up and her car tapped him. Look at his skin, bro. Yeah, her car tapped her, see? Her car was coming over. She wasn't watching what she was doing. Right there. She wasn't watching what she was doing. She lived and he getting paid. But either or, she's in a whole four-wheel car. She's still gonna get sued. She's gonna. But no, if she leaves, then he getting paid from the state. He getting fucking paid. He still getting paid. She in a four-wheel car. He's on a motorcycle. He ain't gonna get that much. If she would have drove on the state, cause he got to look at his arms and his legs. Like his. Yeah, you know me, I'm a little bitch.
I'm gonna move over just a little bit more because I'm getting uncomfortable with these cars coming by like that.
I thought that you hit the car.
I did too.
No, I was trying not to hit him.
Like he was just rolling, tumbling, everything. The cars had to stop. Everybody had to stop. But when his motorcycle started flipping stuff, it won't.
Yeah, I was trying not to hit him because that was very close. Because if I didn't slow down on time, I would have ran over him.
Oh my goodness! We had to put his paperwork on.
Just in case they ask for and stuff like that. Where's my
see, that's
Right. And she on the
they
phone.
gonna take her car from her.
She on the phone going off, but then be that one. They get
Right.
to do that unless you don't know that.
Bro, you couldn't tell me you didn't hear him. Because we heard him.
Yes, we were.
Right, come on.
That
Like,
means
you
you distracted driving.
couldn't tell me you didn't hear him.
Oh, I ain't speaking in no state, but
Yeah, but she don't have a secret now.
because we got out, we just got back in.
Oh, I did.
Girl, my mama allowed it. Hold up. Oh, he white. My fucking
Yeah,
car.
bitch, let me do that.
Fuck the police. What type of fucking seatbelt is this?
Yeah, fuck that.
You don't really shit. I had my glasses on.
No, but you could see. Like, how you tell me you couldn't hear him? You can't say you couldn't hear him. You cannot tell me you couldn't hear him.
I know this is called Lyft.
Bitch, fuck fucking me. I want some of that check though. Like,
Right? Give me 10. Give me 10. Man, I saw it on the Baby, I got one plans.
look, he limping too. Look at his leg. His shit gushing.
No, he feeling in there.
His leg.
Bitch, I'll be so much. You know how much cocoa butter I'm gonna have to use?
Cause he tried to stop it. He tried to stop it. Cause you seen it when she tapped him. He just started flying. Like his bike was just.
That shit was slide. Right?
And he was tumbling. He was just fucking tumbling. And that's when the car stopped. And she didn't stop until after the fact. Like, girl, right? Bitch, I'm pissed. This shit is sad. Like, how the hell her dumb ass? What they call it? Like, come on, how the hell you gonna hit him? Like, what? And we almost got to a car accident. Oh my mama.
She trying to kill her in this.
Where he is? I'm seeing Loki. What if a car would have rolled over him? Bro?
That's what I was aware of because he was just sitting there rolling.
What else is he
Whoa, crap.
Who honking?
Not you beeping the horn.
That's because they holding the whole damn intersection up.
I guess so.
Baby. Just giving me money.
How the
I need a
lights
check
go on?
back. But he turned to them. They trying to work the damn thing. They better not fuck that bitch up and let that bitch come this way.
That just don't work like that.
It take all y'all just to work a motorcycle.
Girl, you know how much a motorcycle is?
I said it take them.
The front tire flat. I know you've seen it.
Baby, they not even trying to move it. They trying to get the little thing on the side to do. Oh, go ahead. Don't even know what y'all doing. Go ahead.
Well, girl, you gonna move the damn motorcycle. Shit.
Bitch. Let that shit over you. I'm just. What my check at? Yeah, we should have got out the car fast enough. I should have laid in front of her car.
Now you will get a ticket for walking on the highway.
Hold on, I can't hear. They want you to go. What's going on now?
They want him to what?
He looked like one of them murder ones.
Across
They're telling you different stuff.
2 lanes.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right.
All right, you guys are good to get out of here, okay?
All right, thank you.
Look at y'all speed. That's what put down.
Yeah, I had to do the right thing with that part.
That's
Glad y'all was patient about that.